ahead. That can live there. Might have to live over there or something. I should work from this side. Going that way, I guess. I've got some flat ones and I'm trying to keep those to last. If I can. Not sure how to do this exactly. I got a nice rock here. In fact, I got, remember that other rock that I lifted down there? Maybe I can put that in. Maybe I can put that right here. 'Cause I got that one. Ooh. Wowza. Lift with your legs, not your back. You know what? I'm going to use this big one as a stepping stone. That way, I can leave that down here. I can step on that to get up. That's what was happening before. People were going up here, and then this started slowly but surely caving in. I'm liking that people can get up there. Like my pest control guy, because he goes around the entire house and sprays and checks on stuff, you know, every once in a while. That's probably about the right height. Right there. Process of elimination. Rhyme or reason how it goes back together, I guess. As long as it's gonna hold, right? Top of this wall is supposed to be flat. Not really flat, is it? Not really flat now. But it's a lot more better than it was. Okay, it's coming there. Almost done. Well, at least if anything, it's way better than it was. Way better. Way better than it was. Yes, indeed. Now I'll know that this is not going to fall down and go boom. It's the last thing I would want. For anyone to hurt themselves walking up and down over here. And you know, if you got a retaining wall, you might want to check it out every once in a while. You know, it might be well worth your while to do that. Okay, I think that's it. Trying to make it look flat now. It's all on the top here. There, way better. What do you think? I don't profess it to be perfect, because you're never going to get that. But although sometimes I marvel at the way some guys build walls and they come out so flat on the top and everything kind of looks like it has its place. You're like, how did they do that? Especially big, huge honking rocks, you know? That they have to use an excavator or something. I don't know how much of that, the last bit you saw or not, because my battery went out. I knew my battery was going to go out, but I wasn't sure exactly when. But see there? See how this rock is going up at an angle now. Same with this one. And that one over there, see how that's going up at an angle? And I wedged that, and I wedged it underneath. And this big rock I had sitting up there before, I just decided to leave it right there. That way, if anybody needs to go up and down here, they can use that. Because before they had to jump down there. Okay, like if somebody was along this side, I've got a couple retaining walls, boom, ba-boom. And then see over here, this one has to be climbed up, or you can walk around it. But over here you can't walk around this one. This goes all the way over to the next door neighbor. So like if I'm here, I can step. Now, how can I do that? Step right there, and I've got that nice rock right here I'm standing on now. Get back up, I can just go back up. Knowing that that retaining wall is a lot better than it was. Man, had I not have seen that, I could comfortably say that eventually somebody would have stepped there and maybe kind of hurt themselves a little bit. So see, now I'm ready. I'm ready to put my screen on here. Okay, I'll do that next. You haven't been watching that video. I found a rat's nest up inside an exhaust fan inside the bathroom, and lo and behold, he had crawled up through here because this paddle, this right here, when it opened one time, it went up and stuck open on the side of here. But now, see, it's still loose, and that's just how they are. But I'm gonna take a little piece of metal and put up there. See how that just stuck open? Sometimes it sticks. See, it stuck open there for a second. See there? It goes up too high. I'm gonna have to see if I can't make that a little better there. So I just hit right there, and it kind of pooched the side out a little bit. See? Well, I want to put a screen there in case that stays open like that. Okay? Or even if it doesn't stay open, a rat could climb up here, and that's what it did. It climbed up here, and it can just nose this open, and in it goes. All right? I want to get that screen in there, and I'm also going to put a screen on that one over there. That goes to the dryer in the house where the washer and dryer is, and I'm going to put a screen there. And so I'll do that in a minute. That's not part of this video. This video, you want to watch that. It's quite amazing what I had to go through in order to make that determination on the rat going there. So now, see, when I put the screen up there, see, I got to stand right there, and it's really not the best thing. So I think I'm gonna have to go down here. I think I've got enough. Yeah, I can stand right here. I can stand right here, put the screen in. Look at that. Maybe tweak this little flap or something. Just shine a flashlight up in there and see if I can't get that better. And then I'm gonna screw that screen on there. So I'm gonna do that coming up. Okay. But now I feel good. This retaining wall is nice and sturdy now, and I've got that fixed.